Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat, or Dylan. Today I'm making a little video. Lulu. I am finally receiving my Sur Ron X. I ordered this almost 2 weeks ago, and it should be here any minute now. This video I'm gonna do just, it's me getting it and unboxing it. So stay tuned. It's a little heavy, but we've lifted heavier before. There it is. Right, Toto? Right, Lou? Yeah. Yeah, brother. All right, so it is 5:13, which means it's 17 minutes till the end of my workday, but I still have to drive the semi back to the job site, pick up my shop truck, and come back. So, yeah. You guys will see me in just a second. All right, guys. So, it has been an hour, like literally just an hour. Hi, Lulu. Miss Lou. But yeah, literally an hour since I got this and got it inside. So I am about to cut the straps, try to get the box off here, and we'll, I guess, see how this goes. I'm just excited to finally get it. I was super excited the first week after ordering it, and I've kind of fallen off from it, so hopefully the bike is enough to really bring some excitement back to me. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into this. Whoops. I'm gonna open this up real quick, see what we got here. Yeah, your little plate. Connector cord, I can't remember what that's for. Something else. I'm assuming these are some tools, maybe. That little pad for the battery mount. You guys may not even see all of this. And I'm assuming this may be instructions. Not 100% sure. Just so you guys are aware, I'm probably not going to be making a video putting this together. Mainly because there's so many of them out here on YouTube. And honestly, I'm probably going to be watching one of them to help me put this thing together. So, instead of making my own, I know that there's plenty of them out there because I've watched them. So, I'm sorry if you were expecting that from this video, but anyways, I got keys. So that's good. Front tire. Front fender. These do come with front fenders now. I remember seeing some videos, maybe a 2020 Surron or maybe 2018, I don't know. But they didn't come with front fender. Now they do. I believe this was the charger. Yes, it does say 110 volt portable charger. Okay, let's be honest. I am gonna watch one of those videos again to see what bit I need to get the front forks removed from the little block. Starting to look up and see like what size tools and everything people use to get that out. I went onto a video that I seen and I really enjoyed. Like he thoroughly does a great job explaining how he's putting the bike together, and I'm kind of following along with him here. I'm gonna start getting my handlebars all set up before removing it. But I wanted to give a little shout out here. He's got quite a few more subscribers than I do at the time here. But yeah, if you can see this, that's real blurry. Shreddie Mcskate e-bike reviews, I guess. I am subscribed to him, as you can see, but he does an excellent job on this video. I've already watched it before, but just wanted to let you guys know, if you are wondering like how you should go about setting the whole bike up, go over to his video. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys, and yeah, show him some love as well. Okay, so since I know this is just going to be a long little clip of me screwing around trying to get the handlebars all set up, what I'm actually going to do, thank you Lou, I am going to put this front brake on, put the throttle on, get the light on, the handlebars situated. Then I believe we'll end up taking this right out of the box, and that is probably where I will end this video. Okay, just so you know. Okay guys, so I have watched some more of Shreddie Mcskate's video. I have the handlebars with the brake and the throttle on here lightly. I have the light on there. So I believe next I'm actually gonna get the axle pushed through there to be able to get the bike up out of the box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say this was a pain in the ass, and I don't recommend doing it this way, but Shreddie made it look so easy. Obviously it's YouTube, but I did use a little socket that fits like perfectly on the end of the axle and tapped it out. That's probably not the best way to do it, but it got the job done. So I believe now I can lift the bike out. I'll set it down. Yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Excuse me. Whew. There she is, boys and girls. She is sitting up here. I know this lighting and everything is terrible, and I've got so much cardboard laying around here. So lastly, for this video, last thing I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna take the battery out and I'm gonna plug her in. I'm gonna let her charge while I go ahead and get the front wheel on, that front fender on, and tighten up whatever else I need to tighten up on this thing before I can try it out. So, I believe we come down here with our key. What does that say? It says open. Oh, let's have to lift it. Wow. I don't know what this sticker is. Some ID number or something for the battery. There's our plug-ins. Looks different than I remember seeing on these things. Hey, they're hiding that looped green wire. It's in there. You can barely see it right there. If you guys didn't know, that looped green wire is the one that everybody cuts to make the bike go faster. With that being said, myself, I'm probably gonna do that. But I will say I haven't rode a dirt bike of any kind in years, so I will be leaving it as it is for a little while anyways to get used to it. See how easy this slides out if I don't lose the whole bike. Oh, yep. Fan just clicked on. Came with 73%. So, anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Stay tuned for the next video where I will actually have it together and we'll be taking it on my first ride. We'll see how that goes, right, Tom? But anyways, like I said, do check out Shreddie Mcskate to watch his whole, you know, putting it together, because like I said, he does a great job at explaining everything and showing everything. Definitely better than I could do in this lighting right now. But yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that initial riding video. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. I know it was rough with the lighting and everything. Drop a comment down below. Let me know any mods you guys would suggest for me. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.